Hi everyone, my name is Leslie Schrader and I'm an 8th grade ELA teacher at Eudora Middle School, and this is my introduction video for this new grad class at Fort Hays. In terms of goals, strengths, weaknesses, and interests, I'd love to develop enough confidence through this graduate program and this class in particular to create online activities that I could actually use to restructure my classroom and curriculum to be blended with a station rotation model. I think my strengths include persistence, to stick with something until I know how to use it or make it work effectively. I've also taken many undergrad classes, as well as now I'm in my second semester of grad classes that were online. And so I have an understanding of time management and the structure it takes to be successful at online learning. But I also understand some of the struggles that are in online classes, as well as the struggles that students have as online learners. I know that I personally struggle with online collaboration. It's not my strong suit at all. I like to do my own thing on my own schedule, and that can be a challenge when working collaboratively online. I've been an online gamer for years though, doing things like MMORPGs, but I still tend to kind of keep away from the online community as much. I again do my own thing, but because of that, I've had gamification on my radar for a while, and I think online learning is the perfect place to consider this as a teaching method, especially with adolescents who may be struggling to pull themselves away from their games during this time of distance learning. I think I'd eventually like to utilize my graduate degrees for teaching adult ed in an online environment. Adult education is my story. And as much as I love teaching my middle schoolers, I know what it means to go back to school as an adult. I've done it. And I want to support students who make the same choice in their lives. In terms of staying focused this semester, I am completely open to suggestions. I did discover that one of my coworkers is also in this class, so I think that might help me stay motivated and on track with my work. I have my own kiddos that I'm trying to keep up with, along with the students I teach and the 2 online grad classes I'm taking this semester. So sometimes I am just a little overwhelmed. But I think that this class fits quite nicely into what we're already doing in terms of teaching online for this semester. So I hope that that will keep me on track as well. That's my introduction. Look forward to working with you all this semester.